Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.2, Problem 9. This is Section 4.2, Problem 9. It says find the ratio of the corresponding sides of the given similar triangles. So it really doesn't matter which pair of sides we want to match up. We could go left side to left side, right side to right side, or bottom to bottom. I mean, you have to pick the corresponding one. So let's say we did left side to left side. So from the first triangle, you'd have 6 to 8 for the second one, left side to left side. You can reduce that to 3/4, right? You can cut both in half. Let's say instead we decide to do right side to right side. So from the first triangle, it'd be 9 to 12 for the second one. That can also reduce to 3/4. Divide 9 by 3, get 3. Divide 12 by 3, get 4. Or you could have also done the ratio of the bottom to the bottom. So from the first triangle, you have 12 to the bottom of the second triangle, 16. They're both divisible nicely by 4. 4 divides into 12 3 times. 4 divides into 16 4 times, also 3/4.